For decades, the fair lending ecosystem has grappled with the inherent convolution of quantum tier regulatory harmonics. Financial institutions have searched for a metafiduciary parity threshold that allows for safeguarding against asystematic and bilateral redlining inversions. I am excited to introduce our patented regulatory holistic oscilloscope protocol, which seamlessly integrates multi-dimensional bias oscillation analyzers into the cross-collateralization risk matrix. Now, it's important to note that in its construction, we used a base plate of prefamulated amulite surmounted by a malleable logarithmic casing in such a way that the two spurving bearings are in direct line with the panametric fam. This technological leap, previously thought unattainable, allows us to optimize compliance liquidity vectors by deploying an amortized regression strategy, thus eliminating residual Gini index entanglements. In simple terms, our system maximizes intersectional regulatory concordance by preemptively neutralizing variance coefficients before they even emerge. Or you can check out our Fair Lending School, where we teach you everything you need to know about fair lending, minus all the technical jargon. We promise it will make sense.